Obviously, to drink wine is simple, but to test it is complex. So, in the past, in the deep past, Aristotle, for example, proposed a sensory tasting defined on the idea of the four elements. I mean, the air, the water, the fire, and earth. And it was um studied also by Lucretius. But at the end, we understood that it was impossible to use this attempt. So, for the history of the wine, we had to wait until 1519 in order to have what we mean now, the notion of tasting. So this is due to Linnaeus and also Poncelet. And after that, we use this term to study in a more complex way the properties of wine. So for that, we have the tasting stages. So we are looking at first at the appearance. After that, we have the process in glass. So the aroma of the wine, we can smell it. In the mouth, sensations. So it's the real test. And of course, we have also the finish, the aftertaste. So we combine this structure, those stages, in order to define the complexity of the wine, its character, also its potential. I mean, its suitability for aging or drinking, and of course, possible faults. Uh, when we do this, we use normally at least two methods. So the idea is to have a vertical tasting and also a horizontal tasting. So in order to do that, we use different vintages of the same one type from the same winery for the vertical tasting. For the horizontal tasting, we have the same vintage but from different wineries, and we are trying to define the best choice for some specific wines. So when we do this, we can have also the notion of tasting flight, which is a way to describe a selection of wines. And with this manner, we can define which one is the best. So you have now a simple idea of what we call wine tasting.